We are entering the era where companies will exist where they may even not be operated by a person.
There will be fewer and fewer jobs that a robot cannot do better.
We could see a point in time where an entire company is run by an AI.
But do you really think that machines are the ones hallucinating or people?
There's been much debate about the concept of data ownership.
We are looking at it through the lens of regulation like it was any old piece of software.
Nearly all have included references to data as a new currency or commodity.
The bank lends your money to somebody else. You have nothing to do with that. They earn interest out of that money because assets are separated from liabilities in the world of banking.
But more importantly, how do we leverage AI with our data to reward us?
The next question then is, who owns it?
Are we really kidding ourselves to say that a regulator now or a human being will able to keep pace with a machine that never sleeps?
We need to give people personal control over their own individual data.
There should be a way to make them pay.
Somebody's got to go do this. I don't see the oligarchs handing this off easily.
$7 trillion fundraising. One company with one person, $1 billion valuation. But there's 8 billion people paying to process 50% of the data of the planet.
DrumWave is the one company I see out there trying to solve that problem.
It's a good idea to believe that we're going to build a whole industry based on data that is ripped up out of governments, countries, people, companies, and that this thing is going to end well.
There's two things needed here. One, we need a visionary, and that's you. And you're the one out there building the coalitions. You have the technical vision, you have the global vision, you have the energy, the passion, the personal ability to build these coalitions. Just look at who you brought into the room today.
So how to drive this thing, right? How to choose the right principles, how to define the core principles to design this thing.